already stocked in 15. So right now the factory can only do the packing job. Let's go inside to see what they are doing. This is the plastic cake. For one, there is 25 shots. But our order is 50 shots, so we need to combine these two together. See, this is the main fuse, and first we need to put these two fuses together to connect them. Now we use another tape. At the bottom, we need to use the craft paper and paper. 2 kinds of papers. And at the top, we need to glue the top paper. The last step, put the plastic cake into the color box. That's all for today's share. See you next time.